Have you parked a call on your Grandstream device but can't seem to have the function key light up in red so other people in your network understand that there is a call parked? Well, you have clicked on the right video. Hi there, my name is Mary. I am the support specialist for VoIP Hubs LLC. We are VoIP service providers and we have a multitude of different SIP trunk plans. They range from $16 every month to $50 every month. In addition to that, we have our cloud-based hosted solution, which is $15 every month per extension. If you would like any more information, please don't hesitate to visit www.voiphubs.com, or you may call our main number, which is 336-663-1333. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into this. So upon logging onto your Grandstream device or your Grandstream phone, the first thing that you would need to do is click on Settings and then click on Call Features. Maneuver your cursor to bypass dial plan through call history and directories, and please be sure that this right here is enabled as Yes. Upon doing so, scroll down and click Save and Apply. The next step truly depends on the type of Grandstream phone that you have, which specific model it may be. If it's an older model like the GXP 1780 that I'm currently using for this example, then you would need to do the following. Please go to Accounts, pick the account in which you have your extension under, and then click on Call Settings. Upon doing so, you will see that there is a dial plan option with a multitude of different statements. These statements are divided. So there's the first statement, then we have a divider, then the second statement, then we have a divider, and then the third statement. What you would need to do is you would need to implement an additional divider and then paste the following statement that I will be pasting right now, and I will also be putting that in the description box below, so you may copy and paste it with ease. So I've clicked right here in the middle, and I will put a space, and I'll put a divider, and then a space again. And then I will implement the following statement, which is basically the park statement that will help your phone identify that you want the calls when they are parked to be in red, so other people in your network can then be able to see that there's a call parked and then retrieve it. So upon doing the following, scroll down, click Save and Apply. If you have a newer Grandstream phone, you will need to follow these instructions right here, which is just go to whichever account your extension is under, click on Dial Plan, Add, put in the following statement, move it up one row, and then click Save. And upon doing this, you will see that now any part call will be indicative by having the function key in red. I really hope that this has helped you, and I know that this is actually a very important feature that can really be beneficial to anybody's network. And if you have any information that you would like to possess, any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section. And also, please don't hesitate to give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be posting a lot of newer videos in regards to the VoIP industry within itself. Thank you so much. This is Mary from VoIP Hubs LLC, and I hope that you have yourself a wonderful day.